Large commercial contracts like the one you can see behind me here. This is going to be a Hilton, and half Hampton Inn, okay? We're not only going to do the construction cleanup for this project, we're going to be the cleanup contractor, but we're also going to probably be the maintenance contractor for this as well. That means we're going to clean the windows on this property twice a year, every single year, probably forever, as long as we keep the relationship good. And then before we get that, which are large tickets, anywhere for this project, probably at least $4,000 to $5,000 every time I do the window cleaning, which will take me like 4 days to do, maybe 3 days. I will get the construction cleanup contract, which means I'm gonna be able to clean all the windows, the exterior, the garage, okay? I'm gonna be able to take care of everything on this project, which will be close to like $80,000 to $120,000 contract. So I get a nice little boost that's gonna spit me out cash flow for the next 4 months for my cleaning business. 4 to 5 months, they're gonna pay me monthly checks from that $80,000 to $100,000. And then after that, I'm gonna pick up the cleaning maintenance contract for $10,000 a year to take care of this building that only takes me a few days to do, okay? Now, imagine that times 10 projects, okay? Or 20, or whatever you want, right? Wherever your imagination goes. You could take this to the next level, right? And let me tell you something, it's just as easy to get into these projects as it is to get into those small commercial deals that you're still doing for $100 or $200. Anyways, I wanna show you how you can get into these large commercial contracts, whether you're any type of service contractor. I don't care what you are, okay? You could be a construction cleanup guy, you could be a window cleaner, you could be an aspiring entrepreneur, you could be a pressure washer, it doesn't matter. I wanna show you how to get into these large commercial contracts. Go ahead, click the link below, just click the learn more now, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get into this stuff, okay? I think this is gonna bring you a ton of value, and I really want you to win. Hit me up.